So, senior leaders, you know this pattern all too well. And I see it in fast scaling, fast growth companies. A strong strategy gets approved, the work gets delegated, and then everything just seems to slow down. Everybody is working really hard, everybody is trying, but momentum is stalling. So, here's the truth: your strategy isn't stuck because of all the external forces that are going on. It's actually stuck internally. Execution doesn't break down at the top or even the bottom. We're really seeing that it really slows down in that middle, right in that layer of managers that aren't getting the support that they actually need. These critical connection leaders that connect the big picture strategy with your day-to-day operations. These middle managers were promoted because they're experts. They have strong technical skills, but now they're expected to lead people, to align priorities, and to drive decisions. And no one is supporting them or teaching them how to do this really, really well. So instead of leading, they're managing tasks, they're escalating tough calls, they're stuck in firefighting and confusion. And what happens? As senior leaders, you're getting pulled back into operations, pulled back into the weeds. Projects stall, momentum slows down, morale is affected. And ultimately, this isn't really a bandwidth problem, it's more of a behavior gap. Until your managers can learn how to build small, daily, effective leadership habits, habits that really help drive ownership and clarity and follow through, then that well-intentioned strategy is going to keep stalling out in that middle. So that's the work that we do. No fluff, no theory. You're busy. You don't have time for that. We're really just focused on giving you real leadership capacity where it matters most. So I'd love to hear from your perspective. What's the biggest leadership behavior that you wish your middle managers were able to master? Where in the work that you do you see the biggest friction point? I'm always curious to hear what people are seeing in their work and in their organizations within other fast growing organizations and teams. Talk to you soon.